Hey y'all, so I was invited to this Juneteenth thing for Juneteenth celebration through Recovery Services Outreach. And we out here having a good time. As you can see, everyone is out.
Oh, your word. You gonna hold your word. I'll be back. Thank you for coming back.
I had to go to a meeting.
Okay, thank you for coming back. This is about Juneteenth. If you would like to make a donation to the agency, you can on there. Okay?
Thank you.
This is about Juneteenth. And if you would like to make a donation to the agency,